In the name of God. Anna's adventure in the capital.
The country Anna came from was small and peaceful, but she had always dreamed of visiting a big city. The cafeteria at the airport was bustling with travelers from all over the world, making her feel both excited and a little nervous. Near the entrance, she noticed a police station, which made her feel safer knowing help was nearby. The area around the airport was modern and busy, filled with shops and signs in different languages. One sign pointed to the post office, which reminded Anna that she needed to send a postcard to her family. She sighed as she lifted her heavy bag and searched for an elevator to avoid climbing the stairs. The capital city was much bigger than she had imagined, and she couldn't wait to explore it. She made a mental note to visit the library later to learn more about the city's history. Anna's friend David had told her that the best places to see were in downtown, so she planned to head there first. As Anna stepped outside, she saw a stunning bridge connecting two parts of the airport, shining under the sunlight. The buildings around her were arranged in neat blocks, each one taller and more impressive than the last. In the distance, she spotted a grand cathedral with towering spires that took her breath away. "Dear me, that's beautiful," she whispered to herself, feeling amazed. "By the way, do you know what that building is?" she asked a passing stranger. "If you're interested in history, you should visit it," the stranger replied with a smile. "Hey, David, look at that amazing church." Anna called out to her friend, who was walking ahead. "Sure, it's the oldest one in the city," David said, nodding proudly. Anna took out her phone and said, "Congratulations to me for capturing such a great photo." On the plane, Anna settled into her seat and glanced at the elderly woman beside her. "Right, I should fasten my seatbelt," she murmured, following the flight attendant's instructions. The kind old lady smiled and said, "Take care, dear, it's going to be a long flight." Anna replied, "Take care too, and thank you for your kindness." The woman chuckled and said, "Cool, I like polite young people like you." Suddenly, Anna heard a child scream, "Snake," but it was just a toy someone had dropped. A man joked, "Don't worry, there are no bears on this flight," which made everyone laugh. The flight attendant warned, "Sometimes small insects get inside, but they're harmless." Anna relaxed, thinking about the adventures ahead. Looking out the window, Anna saw the airport's mini-zoo, where a giant elephant was playfully spraying water. Nearby, a mischievous monkey swung from ropes, entertaining the watching children. A sign nearby read, "Rat sightings possible, keep food sealed," which made Anna giggle. She then noticed a majestic lion lazily sunbathing in its enclosure. "Look, a duck pond," a child shouted, pointing at a small water feature. Anna's eyes widened when she saw a fluffy rabbit hopping near the fence. A boy nearby gasped, "Wow, a dinosaur," but it was just a statue for photos. A red sign warned, "Danger, do not feed the animals," reminding visitors to stay safe. Anna thought, this zoo is full of surprises. The flight attendant announced, "Some areas outside are dangerous, so please stay within marked paths." Anna remembered David's warning about wild animals near the city's outskirts. She wasn't scared, but she knew it was important to be cautious. The pilot's voice came through the speakers, "We'll be landing soon, so please remain seated." Anna looked at the old lady and said, "I hope you have a wonderful trip." The lady replied, "You too, dear, explore safely." As the plane descended, Anna felt her excitement grow. She couldn't wait to see the famous downtown area David had described. The city's energy was already making her heart race. After landing, Anna followed the crowd toward the exit, her bag feeling lighter now. She remembered David's words, "The country you're visiting is full of friendly people." The cafeteria near baggage claim was less crowded now, so she grabbed a quick snack. She saw a police station nearby and felt reassured by its presence. The area outside the airport was even livelier, with taxis and buses coming and going. Anna noticed a post office and decided to mail her postcard right away. She took the elevator to the train station, eager to reach the capital's heart. Her first stop would be the library, where she could plan her sightseeing. Walking through the city, Anna admired the bridge that crossed a sparkling river. The blocks of buildings were decorated with colorful murals and flags. She reached the grand cathedral she had seen from the plane and stepped inside, feeling awed. "Dear visitor, welcome," a guide said warmly as Anna entered. "By the way, tours are free if you'd like to join," the guide added. Anna thought, if I have time, I'll definitely take one. "Hey, look at these stained glass windows," a tourist exclaimed nearby. "Sure, they're hundreds of years old," the guide confirmed. Anna whispered, "Congratulations to this city for preserving such beauty." Anna's next adventure was visiting the city's famous zoo, where she saw an elephant playing in a pool. A clever monkey stole a visitor's hat, making everyone laugh. She shuddered when she saw a rat scurrying near the trash cans. The lion enclosure was crowded with people taking photos. Nearby, a pond had cheerful ducks swimming in circles. A child pointed at a rabbit and squealed with delight. A giant dinosaur statue stood at the entrance, perfect for photos. A sign read, "Danger, do not tap on the glass," near the reptile exhibit. Anna smiled, thinking, this city is full of life. As the sun set, Anna headed back to her hotel, satisfied with her first day. She avoided a dangerous-looking alley, remembering safety tips from her guidebook. The city had a wild, energetic vibe that she loved. She thought, tomorrow I'll explore even more. Anna took a taxi, feeling grateful for the kind people she had met. Right, time to rest, she told herself as the hotel came into view. She couldn't wait to tell David about her adventures. The capital had already stolen her heart. Anna smiled and whispered, "What a cool place," before stepping inside.
Like and subscribe if you would like.